Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to calculate the equivalent energy of an object by obtaining mass as an input. The formula to calculate equivalent energy is E equal to mc square. E stands for equivalent energy. M is the mass which is obtained as an input from the user. C is the speed of the light. The formula to calculate the speed of the light is 3 into 10 power 8 m bar s. M bar s stands for meter per second. For this, we are going to write a Python program. You will see the demo. I am importing the math module. I am going to use the power function of the math module to calculate 10 power 8. First, I am obtaining mass as an input from the user, which is equal to float of input of enter mass. Next, I am going to calculate the speed of the light. C equal to 3 into power is a function from the math module. I am going to use the power function to calculate the 10 power 8. So the power function will raise the second value in the power of the first value. So 10 power 8 will get calculated 3 into 10 power 8. Next I am going to calculate the equivalent energy. The formula is equal to E equal to mc square, m into c into c. Now I am going to print the result. Print the equivalent. G. I am printing the value of E followed by joule. Joule is the unit of measurement of energy. I am saving this program. So this is the program. I am importing the math module. From the math module, I am using the power function to calculate 10 power 8 mass. I am obtaining the input from the user, m equal to float of input of enter mass. The input value always receives the input as a string, so it is converted as a float by using the float function. C, the speed of the light equal to 3 into power of 10 power 8. Energy, equivalent energy equal to m into c into c, mc square. I am printing the equivalent energy. This is a string followed by the value of E, and I am giving it joule as a string. Joule is the unit of measurement of equivalent energy. We will run the program and check the result. So enter the mass. I am giving the value 8.95 is my input. My output is the equivalent energy is 8.055 e power 17 joule. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.